Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So if you are sending product photos to your customers and they look like these right here, then this tutorial right here is for you. So today we're going to be using Picsart, and I'm going to go ahead and open up Picsart. And the first thing I want to do is type in onesie mockup. And the reason why I'm looking for onesie mockups is because I'm actually working on an order for some onesies right now. So I want to go ahead and show you guys how I'm going to be creating it, and I'll actually be sending these to the customer. So I went ahead and chose this one right here, and then I'm going to go into my files and choose the design that I'm looking for. And I did create my designs in Silhouette Studio. Silhouette Studio is free to use, you guys. You do not have to have a cutting machine to be able to use this program, but that's what I used. And I didn't remove the background, so I'm gonna have to come in here and remove it. And first I'm gonna crop it, and as you can see, it did not remove all of the white part from it, but that's totally fine because we're going to be putting it on a white onesie. Now if the onesie was any other color but white, then what we would have to do is use another program such as Canva or just Google background remover, and there's so many apps out there that you guys can use to remove the background, and then you can just upload it from there. And from there, you just center it, and that's it, and save it to your phone. Okay, so we're done with that one. Now from there, we're going to choose another design. Okay, so let's choose this melody is 1 in a million. And so I'm going to do the same thing as I did to the first one, but this time I'm going to crop it first. You don't have to crop it first, it's just something that I prefer to do. And once we're done with that, you just click on the image and then click on remove background. Okay, and as you can see, this one did a lot better than the last one. It removed all the white, and from here you can size it as big or as small as you would like it. But I'm going to go ahead and resize it to fit the onesie here. And then I'm just going to center it in the middle, and then we're going to go ahead and save it to the phone as well. Okay, that's done. Now let's go ahead and choose our last design. And for this last one, I think I want to choose one of these baby designs because they're so cute, and I think it's just so much better when you have an actual baby on a onesie, because then people can really get, you know, a better view of what it'll look like, and it makes your pictures more appealing. So we're going to choose this last design that's in the black and gray. We're going to do the same thing as we did to the other ones. And you guys do not have to choose onesies. You can actually use, they have so many product mock-ups on here. You can use jeans, you can use t-shirts, and if they don't have what you're looking for, you can actually Google it and import that design into Picsart, and then you'll be able to use it like that. So you can really just get creative with this program. So I'm gonna go ahead and resize it to fit the onesie and just kind of center it to make it look good. And this does look good like this, but I think I want to go ahead and make it a little bit bigger, and then I'm gonna go ahead and leave it like that because I think I like that a lot better. From there, I'm just gonna go ahead and save it to my phone, and we are all done. I hope you guys see that this really does make your products look a little bit more professional. And from here, you can just text it or email it to your customers. So here's what a t-shirt will look like. You guys don't have to do onesies. So here are the 3 onesies that we did today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this information useful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.